What's up, guys? It's your girl SHACKABERRY back in the building again today. From you see me a smile and you see me blooming and everything, and you don't know what they go on already in the building. So today, oh my god, I'm feeling so excited. I'm feeling so happy for you guys because it has been a while since I've uploaded a short film, and it has been a while since you seen a story. Well, here we now, guys. This story, it's not really how I want it to be. You understand? I just shoot one little story because some people see me, they know me from the Richard Brown films, they know me as SHACKABERRY, they see me on TikTok, and they know say your girl is a celebrity and the girl they are do a movie. Them see the thing and them like the thing and them say, you know, some want to go in a movies, and they will like the movie business, so them say them interested for coming in a movie. So I say, alright. You know, I'm going to put it in a movie and check in the movie where I don't know what the movie world is like. So this is a short film. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. Watch the video until the end. Love you guys and always will. Thank you for being here.
Hello, good day.
Good day.
You know, sir, from what you see in our community, you know, sir, when I see that girl, I say, you know, sir, I have a nice smile. Your body shape good. Just feel like some other wife you spend her money on you.
So, what about me? So, what you see on me? Make you want me?
You have Steve.
Yeah, but out of the whole community, I mean alone, you see.
You just feel like so we have a connection.
Okay, that the feelings there.
You know, you just get a feeling like so that be the perfect match. You know what I mean?
Well, your feelings wrong, your mind a trick you.
Alright, here we go. Tomorrow night, we are going on a date. We are going to eat some food and just enjoy ourselves and get to know each other more.
Alright, then anything you say.
So you just come in and force her like say, you don't want to be eating too much.
You don't say nothing about business. Me look at the phone, that's why me on the phone, me still a listen what you say. You say tomorrow night, so me a listen. Till you come back tomorrow night.
So I'm working in the morning. I try to come around 12, come pick up. We just put on something nice. I just go out there some fun, who knows.
But you have something nice.
Yeah, you want something nice right now, but who knows, you might get to know me better, and you might get to know me better. You might fall in love, who knows.
That is so you're gone.
But we just you don't want nothing to drink or nothing.
Oh man, me a drink when me dey on the work.
Yes. You can just put your number on your phone and just show it you. I'll show it you 1 hour before, so you can get ready and just come pick you up.
Alright.
Hello friend. Hello, say upon the road me I go now, me I come link you. A long time we not talking, we have to link up now. Wagwan team.
Wagwan, girl.
You good?
Yeah, I say, we meet hello, man. He said, he want to bring me out tomorrow. Yes, him brown and him have like a body and...
Yeah, brown man nasty. A black man if you do with black tall man.
You never know.
Yeah, girl, tall man have a buzz. Yeah.
That means I have to find my excuse him tomorrow and call me then.
Yeah, girl, tell him say your belly hurt or something. Tell him something. Yeah.
Alright then.
Yeah.
So girl, what one, you know, from when we not see you?
Girl, I become busy and I'm not have time. I work and I baby me for left with him grandmother just look over and told me busy.
Yeah, so me that tell you say I run go breed because why rough when you want to go somewhere and have nobody to keep baby.
Baby is a blessing and I'm glad me and my daughter at the end of the day and me I go proud.
So anyways, you know, buy nothing for drink or nothing.
Give me a side baby, I could sit down and chat, you know, have me.
Yeah man, alright then.
Yeah, girl.
Girl. So what you say now?
Girl, you know say Susan and her man left.
Yeah, then I want to know.
Girl, I don't know you know, but they say them left.
So, and look how did I talk to her about him and she did big and bold and say.
Yeah. So she love check up for man and she love man too much.
So as you say, when he come tomorrow, I'm going to tell him say, me have to go doctor or something. Yeah.
Yeah, girl, pull it. So as we say now, I'm not going to go and say, you have to go to doctor and something to give you some money. And you don't want to, you know, you can give you some money.
I mean, it's nice and alright, you know.
Don't talk to the boy and say, talk to one black man.
Alright then, you may be our friends, like you don't want to see the face.
They say they want to start serving.
No man, you're
You know,
gonna
she
drink.
serving.
I don't say me I drink, sorry, you know, I'm just not drink when you find the work, you know, drink like that.
Oh. So my friend that tell me about.
Which friend that?
Michelle man, Michelle working at a bar.
Yeah man, soon to be wife. Me know Michelle she me just a text right now. You another friend?
Yeah man, me and her friend, me and her good friend too. But you know so Michelle is not a good girl though. She a worry now, she a name out the girl, the man them you know. And she a take every girl man. So you have to go stay far from she.
I saw Michelle go on and she go on like she innocent. No, so I don't believe this. I know my Michelle is. Michelle will work in a bar down the road. No, so this hard to believe.
What you mean you don't believe? I the same Michelle me I talk about where Michelle working at a bar. Yeah, I have to stay far from her and talk to me.
Yo,
You can be a good girl.
I like, you come in like say a God send you with a message. Yeah?
You have to believe.
So, I call you say you're a good girl. I'm new in an era.
Yeah, can you take my number?
Michelle over. Just put your number in this and we can link up sometime tomorrow. I'll just go on a nice afternoon, you know?
Yeah, man.
Enjoy ourselves.
Alright. So later.
Yeah, man, later.
Alright.
Take care of yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man, you
Yo, you wouldn't believe what this happened.
What wrong?
My friend named Sandra. I've been getting she tell me about it. And I find it hard to believe.
Tell me what she say.
That's some nasty things boy when I to read. Kind of my mind away, but she has like a whore and you're a good girl and John with just the things you are going with on the road. And man, you have to trust me really, you know, because the things she are telling me, I think you're not a good friend. But you're not a good friend, so at least she don't know some things about it. I know what you're putting on the phone, okay?
No, we can't believe this.
And man, you see them people like that.
You mean to tell me that she tell you all of them things then? Just because she wants you, because she just there, me tell her about you and she tell me say brown man and nasty man and him something this Yeah, she tell me say tomorrow when you call me, if you tell her say my belly hurt me or me have a doctor or something.
Yeah.
See a black man me to believe. You can't believe
And you know, say, and she take the phone and I say, shit, and she lift it up. Yeah, we are not plan to call her.
No man, me feel see her and confirm her.
Good. See people like that, we stay far from her.
Yeah man, I'm glad you put me up on me yard. Me can't know, me can't believe, say my friend, my good friend. Do that.
Yeah, man, not everybody around here to trust. Some people, they're not genuine. It's easy.
Man, I'm glad you put me
You
yard.
have to get some people road to honor yourself. Anyways, just come to tell you that straight. You can't do our shit to people road.
Yeah man, so tomorrow. As I said, tomorrow. Yeah man.
Alright, now go link up and dance up the road and check it. Alright?
Wagwan. What is for now?
You mean what is so now? Me have to say me and your friend and you gonna back on my back and do them something there. I tell you what, one bag of things about me, how much me over me and do road and one bag of something girl. I'll put your number and I'm phone about email as you infidel with.
Me girl, tell boy don't tell a lie for me. Me and your friend, me not do that. Tell him not tell a lie for me.
But you know say me, yes, me and your friend, but I know the first me I hear them something about you because I know like a my man alone me hear say arthritis. A whole heap of other people where your name used to be friend. People did that want me about you and me say you're a good person, you know.
Girl, I like them a tell call me not keep friend. When I come and say you're only friend me I talk to. So I don't know what you talk about.
Well, tomorrow 12 o'clock we know what tell lie because
Yeah,
you
we
just
do.
come tell me.
Alright, so we see then now.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Yeah. Now we kid and lion, you know. I know what she had said, but me I go figure out tomorrow because she'll give me an excuse say the baby and one bag of something. And if she not come tomorrow, I put me and cut her off.
Alright guys, so you guys have finally meet the end of the video. If you reach the end of the video and reach this part of the video, guess what? Someone will be getting $100 flow credit. It's not much, but it can do something. So they can just, once you reach the part of the video, I go get the flow credit, right? If you get the flow credit, comment down below and let me know so I get the flow credit. So yeah guys, what I was saying is that alright, so my hand hurt me because I hold the camera with my hand. So what I was saying is that guys, because alright, so I was working, my left for go work. The people them see me and them know say me do movies. I was like, are you interested in doing a short film? Them say yes, them interested. So at the same time now I was testing their acting skill because I was planning to do this movie like today is the 27th. Today is the what? Today is the 26th. Today is the 27th. And I was planning on doing the movie the 28th. But me say no, me go try out them acting skill. Me start shoot and me not stop shoot. So me decide say, yo, you know what? Me go start shoot now. When me start shoot, me start get an idea. Me say, you know, say me I go shoot. So guys, this wasn't planned. Me just see the people them pan spot and I decide say me I go shoot the movie and just me just decide me see them pan spot and me say no, so me I go shoot the short film and me just get on spot and me just shoot the movie. So this is not planned. Me just get up, see them and me just shoot one place and done, because guess what? It wasn't planned, and because me really want to give on a short film right now. Me I go edit the short film right now because me really need to upload one short film to make you know so me not forget to know me still there same way. You understand? So guys, just stay tuned, comment down below, and if you reach this part of the video, thank you so much for being a part of the Shackaberry Madness family. I love you guys.